Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV12. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson SV12 is flashing red and won't start, it typically indicates an issue with the battery or bin. This can happen due to a malfunction or wear over time. If not addressed promptly, your device may become unusable, leading to more extensive repairs or replacements down the line. For this repair, you'll need a replacement battery, a screwdriver set with Torx bits, and a small container for screws. First, ensure your Dyson SV12 is unplugged and place it on a clean, flat surface. Start by locating the bin release button and remove the bin carefully, setting it aside. Next, look for the screws that hold the back cover in place. There are usually 2 or 3 Torx screws. Using the appropriate Torx screwdriver, carefully unscrew them, keeping the screws in your container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the back cover away from the device, starting from the bottom. Be cautious as there may be clips that need to be gently released. Inside, you'll find the battery connected to the main board. To locate the battery, follow the wires from the connector. Once you've identified it, gently disconnect the battery cable. Make sure to apply even pressure and avoid tugging on the wires. Now, unscrew the battery using the same Torx screwdriver, and carefully lift it out of the compartment. Take your new battery and place it in the same position, ensuring it fits snugly. Secure it with the screws you previously removed and reconnect the battery cable to the main board. Make sure the connection is firm, but be careful not to damage the connectors. Once that's done, reattach the back cover by aligning it properly and pressing it down until it clicks into place. Finally, replace the screws to secure the cover. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure you clean the bin regularly and avoid overfilling it. Keeping your device in a well-ventilated area can also help prolong its lifespan. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.